Hello everyone. Today I am gonna explain you bubble sort algorithm. How you can implement bubble sort algorithm. To implement bubble sort algorithm, you just to remember one thing that you you have an unsorted list, okay, and you need to sort the list using bubble sort algorithm. So you need to implement the algorithm. The algorithm is simple. It is by, let's say you have 5 elements. It will i mean it will have two loops. One is iterate through number of times I, that an inner loop that will run and check if the current element is bigger than the next element. Like if the current element is I, if the next element will be I plus 1. If I is bigger than I plus 1, if I is bigger than I plus 1, then we sub them. We will continue this. We will do this using J in inner loop. So I will show you can I implement this, and you guys, I will understand you. So for that I opened my code editor. You can see, and just give me a second, I just need to adjust the view. I will just do, my function is already made. So what I need, you can see here is values, unsorted values. First one is 12, 25, 11, 34, 90 and 22. What I need to do, I will check in inner loop if this element, this value, I will check each time if this element or this element, this element is, let's say, J. So this will be, I will checking J plus 1. If J is bigger than J plus 1, then we will save them because they are in wrong order. That means if, let's say, this value is 100, so of course the I or J, it is bigger than the I plus 1, the next value. So to sort this first, to correct the order, we just need to save them. This is the small solution of this small problem for this one and this one. So let's our default. So what I will do first, I have to loop through the numbers of till the length. So I will loop through using I will use I in our, I'll use range to iterate through, to length of ARR -1. Okay, I length through the last element because it will keep sorting each time. So let's give you a dry run example. Let's say first iteration, it will check 12 or 25. Are they are in correct order? Yes. We don't need to do anything. Then let's say if let's say j, firstly j will be 1, sorry 0, then j plus 1 will be the value 25. So they are in correct order, we don't need to save them. So now j will be 1 means 25, j plus 1 will be 11. So they are in wrong order, so we save them. So what will they become? It will become 11, it will become 11 and 25. So now the next time j will be 2 and the next value will be this. So they are in correct order, we don't need to do anything. So then j will be 3 and next value will be this. So they are in correct order, we don't need to do anything. Then j will be 4 and next value will be 22. So they are in wrong order, we save them. 22 and 90. You can see this is after running one loop. We are doing this in this inner loop. So after too easy to understand, I can write here pass or passes. I can write passes, I mean fast passes. I mean, one thing you need to always keep in mind, and you will find it helpful, that every time the largest element or the the largest element will go its right position. So next time when I running the inner loop, we don't need this last value, because we know that the last value is on to its right position. So now we will just check in our inner loop this to 12 to 22, I mean 0 to minus passes. Firstly passes will be 0, second iteration passes will be 1. So we will go till here. So let me write the condition in the inner loop. So first, for j in range, let's say ARR, sorry, len of ARR minus 1 minus passes. Okay, all good, looking like so. Okay, initially passes will be 0, so in first iteration it won't affect the code. So let me change the default example. What are they? 12, the unsorted form, and then have 11. Let's say any example you can write. I'm writing this one, doesn't matter. So now in our this one, I can now write the condition. You know the condition will be if ARR, our list, j, the value, initially it will be 0, this one. So if it is greater than ARR J plus 1 initially. So I made a mistake, I think. So passes will keep go to until the last element, so it will go to the last element. So if this condition is met, if the condition, I mean j is greater than j plus 1, then we swap them. In Python we can do it easily by writing ARR j comma ARR j plus 1, and we just write them in opposite order, j plus 1 comma ARR j, and here. Okay, so let me tell you what will happen. So firstly it will let me write this. So first iteration, first iteration passes will be in first iteration passes will be 0. In first iteration passes will be 0. In first iteration passes will be 0, and inside inner loop j will be 0. Firstly we are entering, and condition is passes, it will go until the second last element. It will go like 12, let me write 25, 11, 34, 90 and 22. So passes 0. So it will, in inner loop it will go till this one, till inner loop it will go till the length -1, I mean the last element -1, because we are checking if we don't like do this -1, it will, if j will be, let's say j, let's say currently 0 1 2 3 4 5, if j is 5, if then if it will can't compare the next element, because next element are not present, so it will exceed, I mean, so that is why we are keep iterating till here. So j will be 4 and j plus 1 will be the last element. That is why we are doing this thing. So in inner loop, let's say checking the condition, so 12 and 25 condition is met, not, so we will keep it is as it, okay, writing all the element to make it easy for us. 22. Then now currently it is j will be 0, and now j will be 1. Okay, now you can see, now I will compare j1 means this one and this one, so they are in wrong order, so I will swap them. Condition is met, you can see the j means this one is greater than the next value, so I will just swap them. I'll write 25, and the next 90, 22. Then J will be 2. Now it will be now J will be 2 means this one. I will compare this one, this value, and this value. So they are looking like in correct order, so I don't need to do anything. So I will just write the code, write the value 34, 90 and 22, and then have J becomes 3. J becomes 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. This one I need to now compare this one and this one, so they are in correct order, so we need to do nothing. I will just keep at is 34, 90 and 22. Now J will be what? J will be 4. J will be 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Now I will compare this one and this one. So condition is met. Condition is met. So what I will do? I will just swap them. I will just swap the elements 25, 34, 90. Sorry, they are in wrong order. 90. So one pass is complete. This is pass 0, the first pass. The pass 1 is complete. It will go until this to this length minus 1. Okay. Then pass 1. Let me see pass. Let's say passes will be 1. Passes 1. Now again it will enter the inner loop and check. Firstly, I think one thing you should remember, every time you in each pass, the largest element will be its correct position every time. Now, so what we did in the condition, we add minus passes. Firstly, it will be 0, so it will go to end of the array. Secondly, it will not go end of the array. It will go till this element. It will go till this element. Secondly, we don't need this element, so we just write 12, 11, 25, 34, 22. Okay, we don't need this element because we don't need. Why I write this one? Because we don't need the last element. So now J will be, let's say, 0. So I can first pass, this condition is met, so I can write 11, 12, 11, 12, and I can write all elements 28, 34, 22. Okay, now J will be 1. J will be 1. So J will be 1 means this one. I need to compare this one and this one. So let me write firstly 11, and so it is in correct order, so I just need to do 25 and 30, 34, 22. Then J will be 2. 2 means this one. Now I need to compare 25 and 34. They are in correct order, so I just need to write as I write in past 34 and 22. Now J will be 3. 3 means this one and this one. I need to compare this one and this one. 34 and 22, they are in wrong order, I need to swap them. 11, 12, 25, 34, sorry, 22, 34. Okay. Now you can see the largest element, currently 34, is its correct position. So now I will next pass, I will cut this largest element. Passes to elements will be 11, 11, 12, 25, 22. So J will be 0, 11 and 12 is in correct position. I don't need to do anything. So then I need to write them 22. Then J will be 1. 1 means 12 and J plus 1 will be 25. They are also in correct order. 12, 25 and 22. Now J will be 3. Sorry, 2. 2 means I need to compare. J means 25. J plus 1, 22. They are in wrong order. I need to swap them like 11, 12, 22, 25. So I think now J will be 1, 3. 3 means, why 3? I don't need 3 because it will exceed. I just need to till here. I need to compare till here. So now again I need to cut the largest element of this in the next passes. Let's say currently passes will be 3. So now elements are, I will cut the largest element of previous array. So 11, 12, 22. So here firstly J will be 1. Firstly initially J will be 0. Then it will compare. J0 means this one, J plus 1 means this one. They are in perfect order. I don't need to do anything, so I will just write 12, 22. Now J will be 1. 1 means this one, 12, and J plus 1 means 22. So they are in correct order. I just need to write them. Then okay, all good. So now yet again I don't need the largest element of this. Currently in this array largest is 22. So in passes, next passes, I mean the passes 4, I will cut the largest element of previous array. So currently it will become 11 and 12. So J, firstly initially J will be 0. Condition is not met, so I will keep right like this. So that is how I swap them. Now if I write all the arrays, like if I write them, you can see, so step by step left right. So first one is 11, second 12, then writing the, let's say complete this. Passes will be 5 and currently I have one element 11. So now let's writing the every largest elements step one by one. So first one with 11, then have 12, then have 22, then have 25, sorry, 25, then have 34, then have 90. Hmm. So this should be the result after running this. So this should be result. So I will return to see the result. Return error. Let's see the result. I'll save this file and check the in my terminal. I'll see you. Let's say Python. What's our file name? Bubble sort.py. You can see the values are in sorted form. Yeah, that's it. That bubble sort is quite learning purposely. It is very good. So that is how you can implement bubble sort. I know I am not properly I'm not explain you properly, but if you understand a bit, that is, I think it's my small win. Sorry, my big win. A small amount of, if you understand, then it is my big win. And I will continue improving my everything, my teaching, my understanding of things. Okay, so that's it.